Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about the differences between an impact wrench and an impact driver. Now, they have similar names, but they do very different jobs. Now, an impact wrench is typically an automotive tool. This would be something that you would put a socket set on the end of, and you could use it to take a tire off of a car, put it back on. You'll see in the automotive world a lot of technicians using tools like this. Or a millwright, that's somebody that does assembly work of like factories if they're putting together conveyor belts or machinery. An impact wrench would be a super useful tool. This is very heavy duty and can do the job of a corded or a pneumatic tool. That's how powerful it is. Now, an impact driver is also a powerful tool, but it's a little bit more versatile and it can do more things based on the bits that you put in it. Now, there are drill bits that you can put on the end of a tool like that for drilling, but more importantly, you can put fittings on there to screw things into, like hanging conduit on the side of brickwork, or installing screws if you're going to be doing a deck project and you want to install the decking. Both of these tools are cordless, strong, and can get the job done. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use an impact driver.